Hi guys, good morning. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Yes, it's April 2nd, 2025 and it's 7:30 a.m. here. Oh, it's 7:38 now here in British Columbia. And yes, good morning to everyone. Good morning. Good morning. I'm very early today, so you might be wondering why I'm so early today. Kasi yung anak ko kailangan pumasok ng mas maaga than our usual na pasok. Kasi meron siyang exam sa isang subject niya. Because she's gonna get some vaccinations sa school, 3 vaccinations sa school today. So her teacher requested her and other students na yung magpapa-vaccine to come early so they can get they can take their exam. Yan, so maaga kami for a few minutes today. So, and I'm also early sa work, so I decided to go on live first before going to work. So I decided to do my business first before I go to work. So yes, good morning. Hi Lynn. Hi Mars. Thank you for watching. Yeah, and so now, so if you don't know me, I'm Camille. I'm a Filipino business mom here in Canada, and what I do is I help mothers around the globe build their own successful business online. Yeah, and so what are your plans for today? So it's Wednesday, middle of the week, so almost there. Hang on, and we're almost it's almost end of the week. So actually middle of the week. So 2 more days before weekends. Yeah, and so I just want to share with you some thoughts. So last night I was browsing through my TikTok and then I came across a video. So 3 ways to attract success. So sabi doon, there are 3 simple ways to attract success. Hi Nalds Adventures, thank you for watching. Yeah, so yung sabi daw, if you do this 3 ways, and this is very easy, sobrang easy lang siya na gawin, you will attract eventually your goals and dreams in life, yung mga gusto mong success na mangyayari sa'yo, but positively. So the first one daw is think that you have achieved it. So iisipin mo daw lagi na nakuha mo na yung gusto mong mangyari, yung goal mo or yung dreams mo. Lagi kasi 'di ba sabi nga, what we think we attract. So first you have to think na nakuha ko na to, and you have to be grateful na nakuha mo na siya. So ganun lang, so umaga pa lang isipin mo na for example, you want to be promoted na thank you Lord, or thank you because I got promoted. So yun, isipin mo lang siya na isipin, and then sabi kasi yung positivity daw will attract, or yung antenna mo for positivity will attract miles away lahat ng positive energy. So if you are like giving your mind's negativity first thing in the morning, so wala, ibablock na daw niya yun for the rest of your day. So sabi, ma'am, for example, pagising mo pa lang say, ma'am, nakakainis talaga tong araw na to kasi papasok na naman ako sa work. So nasa bahay ka pa lang, sarado na yung isip mo na gusto mo nang, ayaw mo nang pumasok, sarado na yung isip mo na nakakainis na pumasok at ayaw mo nang magtrabaho. So imbes na positive energy yung pumasok sa'yo, negative, blinak na niya lahat ng possible energy or positive energy na pwedeng dumating sa'yo. And then, second, speak that you have achieved it. So, lagi mo daw ide-declare or sasabihin na thank you na na-achieve ko na yung promotion na gusto ko. So, not just thinking, but you really have to speak for it, or you really have to speak it out. So, just to declare na yes, I'm getting this promotion, or yes, na-achieve ko na tong promotion na to. So, ang sabi, dapat na-achieve mo na, yung mindset mo is na-achieve mo na even hindi mo pa siya nakukuha. And then third is you have to act na that you have already achieved it, or you are already successful. So mind or think, speak, and then act. So yung the way you act, so lagi mo ro gagawin na kunyari, for example, like yun nga for promotion, if you are an employee, so you have to think na you have to get to work and then act na as if that you have already promoted. So yun. So that yung 3 things lang na yun is will attract the positive energy that you need in order for you to be successful. So yun, very easy lang. So it has to come internally. You don't have to do any like scientific method or mathematical equation just to be successful, but it has to come to you, from inside of you. Hi Vanessa, thank you so much for watching. Good morning or good night wherever you are. And so yun lang. So remember, so you have to think, speak, and act that you have already achieved your goals and your dreams in life in order for you to attract them. So hi Melanie, hi, thank you so much for watching. Hi Francine, thank you so much for watching. Yan, so remember that guys, ha. So hindi mo kailangan ng any special tools or gadgets or any special training. Hello Francine. So you just need your mind and your mouth and your body, so you can think, speak, and act positively that you have gained the success you want. Yeah, so yeah, it's almost time. I have to go. For all of you who's asking what this business is all about, message me directly. So if you can see me that I'm just doing go live posting, and 80% of the business is just like this. Lahat naman tayo nagpo-post sa social media. We use social media every time, right? So why not gawin mong another source of income yung pagpo-post mo your social media mo. So at least and you don't need to sell anything. I'm not selling anything, guys. I'm just sharing the opportunity. Okay? Yeah. So okay, guys, I have to go. Good night, everyone. Good morning. Kung saan man kayo for today, but I hope you'll have a good day or you'll have a good night, and tomorrow just practice yung mga na-share ko sa inyo. Okay, message me if you need more information about this business. Hi Lily, hi mother. Thank you so much for watching. Bakit gising ka pa? So oh, hi Zuriel. Thank you so much for watching. My family is here watching me today. What's happening, guys? Ayan. So, good night, Francine. Good night, Mother. And good morning, Zuriel. Ayan. So, I have to go. It's 7:46 and lalakad pa ako. Mga 5-minute walk upstairs. So, I'll see you on my next live. Hi Zuriel, and happy Wednesday and happy Thursday for I think in the Philippines it's already almost midnight, so happy Thursday everyone. Or yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys, bye mother, love you, bye.